Yeah, because we're going to be evaluating. I think we're going to be evaluating clubs, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm videoing, so talk bees.
Oh.
How are we doing? It's a beautiful morning.
Beautiful, lovely morning.
New neighbors.
Yeah, the two new neighbors on the other side of the lake are probably like, wow, what the hell's going on?
I'm talking about these neighbors.
These neighbors, all right. I'll hold this for just a here. This girl in there.
This is the bee. This is the queen bee right here.
She's in there. Yep, she's in there. Let's check on that. Now I have dropped her off.
There's one on my
after
foot.
I've hived the whole box before. Then you have to stick your whole hand down inside of the hive. Okay, you got that. All right, ready there?
I've
This is
been
the fun
ready.
part.
Oh yeah. I love the little blue broom.
Hey, hey.
Who says I can't clean up?
That's right.
Now behave.
That's right.
I'm a little close. I think I have a bee on me.
Drop that there. The last frame in. Pop that new one, right? Yeah, there we go. Take these guys up a little bit. Now we're going to leave that. You want to grab the... So we'll leave. Let me just open this up. Turn this over. We've got to. We'll leave that door closed for a couple days. Then probably Friday, maybe Saturday. Probably Friday. I'll come back and make sure that they've released the queen. Look at that fat drone. He's already on it.
Good luck. Make a lot of honey.
I tried some last night. It was delicious.